This clip will demonstrate how to change a device control options. If you are using the day-night functionality on your fire alarm panel, this is where you will configure your devices to be disabled in the nighttime or daytime. You can also use this option to configure a device into soak test. To change a device control settings, you need to be logged in as an installer. To log into the panel as an installer, press F4 to select the main menu. Using the jog dial button, turn the dial and select a user which has the installer credentials. Now press the jog dial button to scroll down to the password option. Using the jog dial button, select the correct password for the user. To do this, simply turn the jog dial button to select the correct number, and by pressing the jog dial button will move the cursor to the next digit. Now press the jog dial button or F4 to enter into the installer menu. Press the jog dial button to select field setup. Turn the jog dial button and select loop device config, then press the jog dial button. Select the loop number of the device that you want to configure. For this example, I will select a device on loop number 1. Now turn the jog dial button until you find the device you want to change the control option, then press the jog dial button. Press F3 3 times to select the control settings for the device. The default setting for the control option is ENB, which stands for Enable. If the panel was set to ENB, this will mean that the detector is enabled. This option can be changed by turning the jog dial button. The next option is DIS, which stands for Disable. If the panel was set to DIS, this will mean that the device is disabled. Please be aware that if you select this option, you cannot re-enable the device using the standard panel enable, disable menu on the panel. The next option is DIS-D, which stands for Disable by Day. If you are using the day-night function on the panel, using this option will disable your device during the daytime. The next option is DIS-N, which stands for Disable by Night. If you are using the day-night function on the panel, using this option will disable your device during the nighttime. The last option is Soak. Use this option if you want to soak test a device. Once you have finished changing the controls option, press F4 to select Enter. Now press F1 to select Back. Now to complete the process, simply press F2 to select Exit and now press F3 to apply your new configuration.